What's going on YouTube? Snipes here with TKO Gaming, bringing you guys a different video from what you guys have seen. But happy holidays. I hope it's all going amazing for you guys. Now keep in mind, if you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe as well. Now let's get into it. Right, we're going to talk about how the YouTubers make money. Why does it seem like these little kids have so much money, and how are they doing it on the internet, and how much money are they actually making? Not only that, I'll top it off by giving you guys some tips and tricks that I wish I could have gave myself growing up as a little YouTuber, and I still am a pretty tiny YouTuber, so that subscribe button helps. Wink wink. Anyways, so let's get into it. All right, starting off, you guys, the way YouTubers primarily make money off of views, well, yeah, it is just that. It is views, but it's AdSense. It's the advertisement that you see before, during, or after you guys watch our videos. Now it could be before in those long ads, it could be those skippable ads, it could be during the video, in mid video it'll go to an ad, it'll be layover ads, sponsored ads, it'll be ads on the right, left, bottom of the video. Now keep in mind, if you have ad block or if you are on a mobile device, you won't see as many or any ads sometimes, and it doesn't really help the YouTuber out at that point. But hey, it's okay if you really like a YouTuber, just take a couple seconds, watch those ads. Sometimes I get caught up in watching ads that are actually cool, like a brand new movie coming out or something. That's why during the summertime, ad revenue is so high, or much higher than like during the winter time or other times of the year, because some great blockbuster movies are coming out. Their target audience are those younger internet kids, to try to get them to go watch the videos. That's why they'll pay high budget, high revenues for the ads on YouTube and other websites. So keep that in mind as well, my friends. Now let's talk about how much those revenues actually amount to. Now I'll give you an example of a huge YouTuber, and I'll give you an example of a smaller YouTuber like myself. So let's start off with the smaller one. Okay, so let's say for every 1,000 views I get, I will get roughly around $1 to $1.5. That's it. Okay, so it really means that you got to get up in those million view ranges. So, I mean, if you do the math, right, 1 million views will roughly equal $1,000 to $1,500. And then you can do the math from there. Now, also keep in mind that it also depends on who you're partnered with. When you start off on YouTube, you're just simply partnered through YouTube AdSense. And I think at that time, they take about 30% of your revenue and they give you 70%. When you get into a partnership program, you can change that around. I remember when I was first hopped on board early on, I was offered something along the lines of 80-20, then something along the lines of 90-10. Now, I won't fully disclose exactly what I got offered. I'm sure for those big, huge channels, there will be partnership companies that'll come along and they'll be like, you know what, we'll take a small percentage, like 2-3%, maybe even less, depending on how many million views you get, and then that's it. I mean, that's pretty much how that works. But for me, as a very small YouTuber, especially early on, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and hop on a partnership program. Now make sure that partnership program has a good reputation. The reason why I say that is because I've heard of stories, and I've actually seen some as well, where people have been completely screwed and ripped off when it comes to that kind of stuff. Like, they were not paid what they were supposed to get paid. That partnership company was just taking tons and tons of revenue from them. A majority of the time, us content creators are so busy with our craft, so busy with editing videos, doing commentaries, putting content out for you guys, that we don't really go back and take a look at the paycheck, especially for people that this isn't like the purpose of their livelihood. Now, I understand if it is, then you should definitely double check your paycheck. And if you see a discrepancy or you feel like you're getting screwed over, just go ahead and find a different partnership program. Even though I want to say that early on, monetary needs are not going to be your main priority. You just want to grow. That's what every YouTuber wants to do, is they want to grow. And I'll get into tips about that in a little bit. But keep in mind, on the topic of these partnership programs, they actually help you with copyright infringements, strikes, and all those sorts of things, which actually will mean a lot later on when your channel gets bigger, because you do not want to get 3 strikes on your channel. Once you get 3 strikes, your channel does get shut down. So obviously that means a lot to bigger YouTubers, because that is their bread and butter. And if they lost that, what would they do? That's also another reason along with an additional source of income that many YouTubers open another YouTube channel, which is not a bad thing because essentially it's just another revenue stream. And also if something happens to your main channel or your second channel, at least you'll have primarily your follower base that's still alive, right? Anyway, so let's move on to something I want to say. A quote I heard from one of the YouTubers I watch, Prodigy, big shout out to him. He said in one of his recent videos, do something with your life that allows you to make money in your sleep. Now, he heard it from someone else, but I heard it from him, so I'm just going to give him credit for it. I definitely believe in that quote, and I think you guys should too. YouTube is a way of doing that, but there's also many other ways to do that as well. For me, currently, YouTube is that outlet. Just around 40,000 subscribers right now. Super slow. But in a way, if I go to sleep and I wake up and the people have viewed my video, and I'm sure a very small portion of you guys have actually watched the ads, then I'll make a little couple bucks here and there, right, on that. But that's not the point. The point is to grow that following, grow to a substantial number, then possibly move it to another type of channel, another type of video. I've always been a gamer, but I've always also tried to be that person that brings positivity and happiness and smiles to other people's faces. And I think that gaming, YouTubing combined isn't always the best way to do this. So hopefully one day when I get big enough, I'll also continue gaming, YouTubing, and then I'll also try to do some, I don't know, vlogs or daily videos of talking about life events. And man, life just changes all the time, and it's such a beautiful thing, and it's such an evil thing at the same time. So cool things to talk about and connect with people, right? Anyways, that's future plans. I just want to give you guys much love from me for the holidays. Man, I really hope 2016 was better for you guys than it was for me, because I know for me and a lot of other people it wasn't the best year, but I'm glad to see it go, and I'm very happy to welcome 2017. I hope all of you guys have nothing but blessings come your way. Please do comment below if you guys have any questions, concerns at all. I'll try my best to reply to them, and I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all the support. Please do hit that like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the Twitch stream. Link is below. Twitter link is below, and let's keep growing, right? Let's keep progressing no matter how fast or slow. Peace out.